Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some super important news about the X EMPIRE token. There are just 8 days left to develop your account or collect tokens before the app closes, so you really need to act fast. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know to qualify for the airdrop and how to increase your chances of earning more tokens. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Let's break it down. X EMPIRE announced a few key factors that will determine how much you'll receive from the airdrop. These aren't just random points. Following these steps could make a huge difference to your rewards. First off, connecting your wallet is absolutely essential. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you how to properly connect it and make a transaction worth half a ton token. Doing this correctly will put you on the path to receiving a portion of the airdrop. Now, on to the second key point, your in-game earnings per hour. The more you earn each hour, the bigger your share of the airdrop will be. This metric reflects how engaged you are in the game, so it's crucial to keep an eye on it. If you want to boost this number, focus on playing consistently and upgrading your stats. Lastly, X EMPIRE highly values friends and referrals. If you've invited friends to join the platform, or even followers from your social media, this could significantly increase your airdrop share. For example, if you and someone else both earn 1 billion tokens per hour, but you have 10 friends signed up through your link, your airdrop will likely be larger than theirs. Even though having referrals isn't a strict requirement, it definitely helps. To recap, the 3 main points that affect your airdrop are 1. Connecting your wallet. 2. Earnings per hour. 3. Number and quality of friends you've referred. Now, I know many of you might be wondering how to find your referral link and track your friends. Don't worry, I'll walk you through that. All you need to do is go to the Friends tab, copy your referral link, and share it with others. For every sign-up, you get 5,000 tokens, and if they upgrade to a premium account, you could earn up to 25,000 tokens. Now let's talk about wallet connection. You need to connect your wallet properly, so I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. This step is super important because it shows whether you're fully eligible for the airdrop. If you don't connect your wallet, you won't get any tokens. After you've connected your wallet, you'll need to make a small transaction of half a ton token. While this might sound risky, it's the cost of participating. If the project is successful, you'll benefit from it. If not, you'll only lose half a ton, which isn't a massive amount, but it's important to decide if it's worth it for you. Remember, nothing in crypto is guaranteed, so weigh your options carefully. Now that we've covered the basics, let's walk through the wallet connection process and how to send your transaction. Head over to the airdrop section and follow these steps. Connect your wallet, choose a supported wallet app, I recommend TonKeeper, and send the half-ton transaction. Once you complete the transaction, you'll see a confirmation. Make sure you follow each step carefully, and once it's all done, you're good to go. You'll just need to wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction, which can take a little time. Finally, after the transaction is complete, go back to the task list and verify that you've completed the ton transaction. That's it. Once you've done that, you're fully set for the airdrop. Remember, you've got 8 days to boost your earnings per hour and invite more friends to maximize your rewards. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.